Hello, hello, hello. Oh, wow, I love this music already.
Yes, it really sets the mood.
Welcome, everyone. Welcome to our English Conversation podcast.
Before we say anything else,
Please subscribe to our channel, Wehlay Professor. Yes, go ahead, click subscribe. We'll wait for you.
take your time. We're not going anywhere.
All right, thank you so much.
And one more thing, friends.
Please tell us in the comments.
Where are you from?
Which country are you listening from?
We love reading your comments. It makes us feel connected.
Like we are sitting together, talking and learning English.
By the way, I'm William.
And I'm Emma.
We are husband and wife.
And your English-speaking partners.
Today's episode is very special.
Yes, today we are going to practice
100 sentences commonly used in your daily routine.
These are sentences you can use every single day.
At home,
At work,
with friends,
at the market,
or even when traveling.
and don't worry if you are a beginner.
This podcast is made especially for you.
We'll speak slowly
Clearly.
and naturally.
We'll also explain grammar while speaking.
Yes, grammar, but easy grammar, not scary grammar.
No grammar monsters here.
Okay, William, are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready, Emma?
Always ready.
Friends, please listen carefully and repeat after us.
Sentence number 1. Good morning.
This is a greeting.
We use it in the morning.
Grammar tip. It's an expression, not a full sentence, but it's correct English.
Good morning, William.
Good morning, Emma. Sentence number 2. How are you?
This is a question.
Notice the word order. How are you?
You can answer, I'm fine, thank you.
Or, I'm doing well.
Or, honestly, I'm tired today.
Very honest English.
Sentence number 3. What are you doing?
This is present continuous tense.
We use it for actions happening now.
What are you doing, Emma?
I'm recording a podcast.
Sentence number 4. I'm on my way.
This means you are coming.
Grammar tip. I'm equals I am.
Short forms are very common in spoken English. Sentence number 5. Please wait a moment.
This is a polite request.
The word please makes it polite.
Sentence number 6. Can you help me?
This is also a question.
Can is a modal verb.
It's used for requests and ability. Sentence number 7. Thank you so much.
This shows strong gratitude.
You can also say, thanks a lot.
Sentence number 8. You're welcome.
This is the reply to thank you. Sentence number 9. Excuse me,
Used to get attention politely.
or when passing someone.
Sentence number 10. I don't understand.
Very important for learners.
Never feel shy to say this.
Learning starts when you ask questions. Wow, we are just starting and I'm already excited.
Me too. And friends, you're doing great.
Sentence number 11. Can you repeat that, please?
Use this when someone speaks fast.
Very polite and very useful.
Sentence number 12. I agree with you.
This means same opinion. Sentence number 13. I don't agree.
You can add I'm sorry to sound polite.
I'm sorry, I don't agree.
Sentence number 14. What do you mean?
This asks for clarification. Sentence number 15. That sounds good.
Used when you like an idea.
Let's practice English daily.
That sounds good.
Sentence number 16. I'm not sure.
Used when you are unsure.
Will number 17. Let me think.
This gives you time.
Sentence number 18. What time is it?
Simple and very common.
Sentence number 19. I'll call you later.
Future tense using will.
Sentence number 20. See you soon.
Friendly goodbye.
Friends, if you're listening carefully,
You are already improving.
English is not magic.
It's practice.
Daily practice. All right, friends, take a deep breath. We are continuing slowly and comfortably.
Yes, no pressure. Just listen and speak with us.
Sentence number 21. What's going on?
This sentence means what is happening.
Grammar tip. What's is short for what is.
Short forms are very common in spoken English. Sentence number 22. I'm feeling good.
We use this to talk about feelings.
Present continuous tense again.
How are you today, William?
I'm feeling good. How about you?
I'm feeling excited. Sentence number 23. I'm feeling tired.
Very popular sentence.
You can use it after work or study.
Sentence number 24. It's up to you.
This means the decision is yours.
Grammar tip. It here is a dummy subject.
Grammar sounds scary, but it's easy in real life. Sentence number 25. I'll take care of it.
This shows responsibility.
It also sounds confident.
Friends, we are already at 25 sentences.
Halfway to 50 soon.
And you're still with us. That's amazing.
Sentence number 26. What do you think?
We ask this for opinions.
What do you think about learning English daily?
I think it's a good idea.
That makes sense.
Sentence number 32. I think so.
Used to agree softly. Sentence number 28. I don't think so.
Used to disagree politely.
Sentence number 29. It depends.
Very useful sentence.
Life depends on many things.
Sentence number 30. I'm just kidding.
Very important sentence.
Use this when you joke.
Friends, laughter helps learning.
If you laugh, you remember better.
Sentence number 31. That makes sense.
Use this when you understand. Sentence number 32. I have no idea.
Honest and natural.
And completely okay.
Sentence number 33. Let's get started.
Grammar tip. Let's means let us.
Used to begin something.
Sentence number 34. I need some time.
Polite way to ask for time. Sentence number 35. I'm ready.
Short, strong, confident.
Friends, even these short sentences give power.
Because communication is about clarity.
Not long sentences.
Sentence number 36. I'm not ready yet.
The word yet shows time. Sentence number 37. Could you explain that?
Could sounds more polite than can.
Sentence number 38. That's a good idea.
Encouraging sentence.
Sentence number 39. I don't like it.
Simple negative sentence.
You can soften it by saying, I don't really like it.
Sentence number 40. I like it.
Simple positive English. Friends, pause for a moment.
Repeat with us. I'm learning English.
Again, I want to improve my English.
Excellent.
Sentence number 41. What's your name?
Basic introduction question.
My name is Emma.
My name is William.
Sentence number 42. My name is...
My name is William.
My name is Emma.
Sentence number 43. Nice to meet you.
Used after introductions. Sentence number 44. Where are you from?
Friends, answer this in the comments.
We really want to know.
We really want to know.
Sentence number 45. I'm from...
You can say your country or city.
I'm from the UK.
Sentence number 46. How much is this?
Very useful while shopping.
Sentence number 47. Can you speak slowly?
Never feel shy to say this. Sentence number 48. Please speak English.
Clear and direct.
Sentence number 49. I'm learning English.
Say it proudly.
Sentence number 50. I want to improve my English.
And that is why you are here.
Friends, we are halfway to 100 sentences.
And we will continue in the next part.
But before we pause,
Please subscribe to Wehlay Professor.
and tell us in the comments,
Where are you from?
we read every comment.
We feel connected to you.
Keep practicing, keep speaking. Welcome back, friends. If you're still listening, you're doing something amazing for yourself.
Yes,
Learning English is a gift you give to your future.
Let's continue calmly. No rush.
Sentence number 51. I'm busy right now.
Use this when you cannot talk or do something.
Grammar tip. Right now means at this moment.
Sentence number 52. I'm free now.
This is the opposite of I'm busy.
I love this sentence.
Sentence number 53. Can we talk later?
This is a polite question.
Notice the modal verb can.
Sentence number 54. No problem.
Very common and friendly.
You can say it instead of you're welcome.
Sentence number 55. That's okay.
Used when something is not a problem. Friends, repeat with us slowly.
I'm busy right now.
I'm free now.
Very good.
Sentence number 56. I'll be back soon.
Future tense again with will.
Used when you are leaving for a short time.
Sentence number 57. I'm almost done.
This means nearly finished.
Very useful at work or home.
Sentence number 58. Take your time.
This sentence relaxes people.
It tells someone not to hurry.
Sentence number 59. Hurry up.
Opposite sentence.
Use it carefully. It can sound strong.
Sentence number 60. I forgot.
Simple past tense.
The base verb is forget. Friends, grammar is easier when you hear it again and again.
Yes, you're learning naturally. Sentence number 61. I remember now.
Used when something comes back to your mind. Sentence number 62. Let me check.
Very useful in offices and shops. Sentence number 63. I'm not interested.
This is an honest but polite sentence. Sentence number 64. That's interesting.
Used when something catches your attention.
Sentence number 65. I'm serious.
Used when you want people to believe you.
Especially after joking.
Sentence number 66. I'm just joking.
There it is. Sentence number 67. Are you sure?
Simple question to confirm something.
Sentence number 68. I'm sure.
Short and confident answer.
Sentence number 69. I'm not sure yet.
Notice the word yet again.
Sentence number 70. Let's see.
Used when you want to wait and check results.
Friends, you're now speaking like real English users.
Yes, these are real-life sentences. Sentence number 71. I don't mind.
This means it's okay for you. Sentence number 72. It doesn't matter.
Used when something is not important.
Sentence number 73. I'm happy for you.
Very kind and positive sentence.
Sentence number 74. Take care.
Use when saying goodbye.
Sentence number 75. Have a nice day.
Polite and friendly ending.
Friends, take a moment and breathe.
Repeat with us confidently.
I'm learning English.
I speak English every day.
Beautiful.
Sentence number 76. I'm hungry.
Very real sentence. Sentence number 77. I'm thirsty.
Use it when you need water or a drink.
Sentence number 78. I'm tired.
Past a long day, very common.
Sentence number 80. I'm excited.
Positive feeling sentence.
Sentence number 81. I'm nervous.
It's okay to feel nervous when speaking English.
Yes, and it will go away with practice. Sentence number 82. I need help.
Short and powerful.
Sentence number 83. I understand now.
Great sentence for learners.
Sentence number 84. That's clear.
Means you understand fully.
Sentence number 85. I'll try again.
This sentence shows courage.
Never give up. Sentence number 86. I made a mistake.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, they are welcome here. Sentence number 87, that's my fault.
Honest and responsible sentence.
Sentence number 88, it's okay.
Comforting and kind sentence.
Sentence number 89, I feel better now.
Used when stress or pain is gone.
Sentence number 90, thank you for your time.
Very polite and professional.
Friends, you're almost there.
You've come so far. Sentence number 91. I appreciate it.
This is a more formal way to say thank you. Sentence number 92, that's very kind of you.
Warm and respectful sentence.
Sentence number 93, I'll do my best.
Strong and positive promise.
Sentence number 94, I believe you.
Shows trust.
Sentence number 95, I trust you.
Even stronger.
Sentence number 96, let's try again.
Perfect for learning.
Sentence number 97, we can do this.
Motivational sentence.
Sentence number 98, don't worry.
Comforting words.
Sentence number 99, everything will be okay.
Very encouraging sentence.
And finally, sentence 100, I speak English with confidence. Friends, say it again.
Out loud.
I speak English with confidence.
We are so proud of you.
Before we say goodbye,
Please subscribe to Wehlay Profesor.
and tell us in the comments.
Where are you from?
We love reading your messages.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep speaking without fear. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.